Hello everybody. Let's check if sound is okay and everything else. Yep, seems like it works. So let's take a quick look at the market and what I'm seeing on a very low time frame. I don't know, 3 minutes. Um, if we go on high time frame, definitely we have some location here for Bitcoin. What I was looking at is this fair value gap which was filled. So I can see a retracement from this area. Yeah, I can see a nice retracement right now from this area. We have a gap which doesn't necessarily requires to be filled now, but you see we fill this one and then boom, and we left another one. So we'll have another opportunity to buy the dip or to accumulate. And having said the location, I'm looking at this. I'm looking like at the potential power of 3 here. Um, we can we can switch to invert scale. You can see it clean. Yeah, this was the consolidation, huge consolidation, manipulation, quick reclaim of the over the range. And what I'm looking right now is short. This would be my first scalp short, yeah, like low time frame, something like this. This is my idea, but it's quite dangerous right now. Given the fact that we have news, there is a high probability of SFU this high. Huh? Yeah, we SFU the previous one, but look at this, we made equal highs here, so there is a very high probability to SFU this equal high here. So I play carefully. Definitely I will not try to risk too much. If I'll be to take some trades. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I don't know what are those settings, but you understood what I'm trying to highlight here. So I'll try two shorts, one here exactly at this previous low, previous high area, and then another one on the SFU level exactly here. After that, I won't try anything else. Well, I need structure after this. So this is my first one. This is the second area to look for a short. And definitely for a long is this area. We had a really nice long on VIP. Let me get it up here. I was highlighting this copy image. There you go. I was highlighting this power of 3 here on the VIP chat. I was looking at this consolidation here, and you can see we had a long from 19,752. We had 752. This area, yeah, with the stop loss at 500, so stop loss here. So this was our long. You can see it pretty clean. I saw this consolidation, manipulation, and then reclaim, and I was waiting for the retest of the lows. And you can see it was here. My setup was here on 3 minutes, I think, from what I remember. Yeah, and then we had the retest here. And look what setup we had. I still have that long, and I know many of the members held this long for a long period. It was insane. 20R. We hit about 20R with this long here that I posted on VIP, and I told them let's trail, and we had a real nice opportunity to trail. I'm looking for the same stuff here. You can see my bias was due to the fact that this was a 2070 retest. I had a Fibonacci level which was exactly around this area. I was looking at something else here. Let me check this one. And I saw this like just like a deviation, and this was my plan that I shared on Twitter. And you can see we hit the. I had another box in this area. We hit take profit 3. So yeah, this was my plan and how I played Bitcoin. Okay. Right now, I'm looking at this power of 3, I told you. But given the fact that we have news, I can easily see an SFU of the high, of this high, or even this one. So it's dangerous. I'm not saying it's not, but I have to play my setup. So easy invalidation, 0.5 risk. That's how I played. I can be right, I can be wrong, but you can see if I'm right 60% of the times or 55% of the times with a risk reward ratio like that, I'm really okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So let's see, GBP USD. I don't know. Classic markets today, they are really nasty. They have a range. It's a seek and destroy. As you can see, a megaphone pattern where they are taking all the highs, then are taking all the lows. Most of the markets are looking like that. It's quite difficult to do anything right here. We have some equal highs here. This is a high of the New York. Yeah, this is a buy side liquidity. So we have plenty of targets to the upside. My S&P plan is a long in this area and the take profit around take profit 1. Yeah, something like this. Take profit 1, then I will take profit 2 here, and maybe final take profit 3 with some 25% nasty bid, or how you name it, trailing. I had a long yesterday which I shared on Twitter on S&P 500, and I shared with everyone on the group. Let me check where it is. So my plan was this one. So I saw this AB equals CD pattern. I saw this AB equals CD pattern. I saw that trend-based fib extension exactly here popping out. I saw this volume starting to rise on this daily bullish order block, and I took this trade. Then so it was 38.12. It was a really nice entry. 38.12. And you can see, I mean, it was plenty of time. It retested twice after I took the trade. And 370.75, 370.75, something like this. Yeah. And then I moved the stop loss at break even here. I took it with a 1%, and I was looking at take profit around this breaker area here. That was it. Yeah. And right now, if you miss that one, I trim profits on that one. If you miss that one, you can reload here around here with the same kind of setup. We have some indication that price might want to retest this area and then reclaim and go higher. And Bitcoin, he has equal highs now, so I think it will go higher. So it's coming in our first area of so this is the clean invalidation level, and this would be my entry, so something like this. I mean, this is my first attempt. I'm not uh, saying it will work, but I have to play my setups. And if you know me, I'll play them pretty aggressively, meaning that I'll try to move my stop losses in profit, or even I mean in break even, or even in profits, and take quick take profits. I don't know. It's how I'm doing it. It's profitable. I'm not going to get rich one day or in one trade. For me, it's a uh, constant grind. I'm here daily from morning to dawn, and I'm trading. I had a quick 1 minute trade on this one on USD CAD right here. I saw this equal lows that if you watch it closely, this area was the pivot point which created this wave which took this high. So what that means, it means that there's a lot of liquidity below this wick, and what they did, they took liquidity and then SFU the high. I took profits here. It was a 1 minute scalp, was pretty quick, only one entry they gave, and then boom. And I took profits on the SFU level. Now I am waiting mainly. I'm looking at some setups on high time frame. I don't know, something like this. Maybe another retest of that week, because you can see the week touch the breaker block area, rejection, and now what I see, it's a back uh, to close this gap. So what we can watch here is go on one day and see the Monday candle. It's very important. Why it's very important? Well, look at this. If we don't manage to close the candle body above this Monday, most of the times, with a pretty high probability, they will take the Monday high. Look, Monday, yeah? You can see we are Monday here. They will take the Monday high and then create a reversal. You can find this pattern all the time, but you have to look closely for it, and you have to know how to trade it. Mondays usually they are a pivot point in the markets, so this is the Monday low. They took the Monday low here, then up. Yeah, you can see again Monday. So just wait. This was a weekend pump, and you know me, you know Paul, how we are not necessarily trading, but how we are considering the weekend pumps. It fades. Yeah, doesn't have the necessary strength to um, pump the markets in the weekend, because most of the times the banks are not there, the big entities are not there, so they are not missing pumps. And you have to know that they are not missing a making money opportunity. So most of the times, what they will do, they will get the market back at the levels. They will get the market back at the initial level, and that's what it tells me here with this gap. So there is a very high probability that we might go retest this high around here, low SFU, this high maybe equal high, and then go retest. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm playing level by level. I'm not trying to uh, I'm not trying to make a fortune out of one trade. So, and that's what I advise everybody to do. Here we have a Support area, well, but this support area you have to look carefully at some indications that we already have equal low here, and it's pretty dangerous. Yeah, you can see we have equal lows in this area. So there is a very high probability for market to do a scammy move, take the highs, go down, take the lows, rejects, go for the buy side, take equal highs. It's very hard to predict what the market will do right now. Very hard. So if you ask me what's the best thing to do right now is to sit on the sidelines. If you don't manage to trade quickly, let's say, to have a clean risk management and plan, then I wouldn't suggest a trade right now. For example, look at this trade. If I would have been long since the bottom, I would take a first take profit here because you see, if you take swing high, swing low, swing high, yeah, this was the high that created a new low. So there's a lot of liquidity here, and that means that it's a possible reversal. So that's how I'm taking profits all the time. Questions. Take advantage, guys. Put questions if you have them. Let's see Ethereum until then. Let's see, we have some divergence here. I mean, I need 1 hour for my scalp. I don't need. Definitely, we have some bearish divergence all the way through. So, yeah, it's okay from my part. Yeah, I'm doing this kind of analysis and trading. I'm trying to do it daily on the VIP part. I mean, we are looking at charts. Last week it was very difficult with due to the news. It's a very a dangerous trade right now, but we did manage to catch some really nice longs. We had Bitcoin and two other altcoins, so we managed to ride this wave over there, making some really nice profits. And it worth the waiting time, in my opinion, because we haven't lost anything. So we haven't lost any money, but we did made uh, we made money when I saw that we have the opportunity to do so. We made a lot of we made money. Yeah, this is ugly. Let's see if the this joint channel. Yeah, something around there. That so we do have some kind of megaphone pattern here. SFU, SFU, SFU rejection, SFU rejection, SFU rejection. Yeah, ranging, ranging conditions. This was a deviation, so it's not a big deal. Let's see a visible volume profile. 1 day. Let's put it 3 days. I'm really interested in what's going on. So you can see a gap in the volumes here. What that means, yeah, what that means, it means that what they are trying to do, maybe an AB equals CD, take liquidity from this area, and in my opinion, we'll see a retracement over here in this gap. It's a very high probability for a scenario like that, in my opinion. Also, let's see if these are equal lows. Holy moly, yeah. So the low is at 1071.14.6 52. Yeah, we have equal low. So if I mean you can call me crazy, but it is what it is. And if I'm playing the range game, which I do, mm, in my opinion, it's the best thing and the best way you can play the market. This is a range, an accumulation period, and call me crazy, but we'll see this area retested on on euro. When moon? Let me put a chart. So I do think that we'll have an AB equals CD, quite high probability here. Sweep the range, highs, yeah, you can see it here, and then moon into this equal lows. I see this probability. Hello guys. In my opinion, it's a very high probability. They are just taking liquidity now, taking all the stop losses. Yeah, very hard market to trade. Equal low here. Yeah, unretested Wyckoff check, but they can do. Sometimes they do this, but look at this gap. Yeah, this gap tells me that market will retest this area at some point. So don't FOMO, don't try to uh, go crazy or don't try to listen too many things from what you hear. It's just a range. You can see pockets exactly. I think it's exactly at the zero point 0.5, like in the proximity of 0.5 fib. Huh, it's about there. So if you take this the mid range, yeah, you want to accumulate on the lows of the range. I have a strategy on which I'm using accumulation on the lows, yeah, and selling on the highs. I have a plan on which I'm doing that, and it's nice. I mean, you can make 50% profit, 60% profits on the bear market easily because it's an accumulation period which can last over 1 year or more. Scalping level, I'm sorry guys, but the market doesn't want to give you anything. It's just in the same spot. I'm trying, but they don't want to. But be patient because you want the market to come to you, not the other way around. In my opinion, we are not mooning anytime soon. Let me show you some analysis here, um, which I made with Paul today, and I was looking with the guys. So this is really valuable. I mean, you will not see this kind of really clean and well-made analysis too many times because everyone wants to call it. Uh, uh, I mean to I don't know how to say to call a top or a bottom or to say okay we are going to 100K or stuff like that when we are not doing that. Yeah, why I was bullish here and I not bullish I because I don't have bias, but why I turned into long here, because if you go back and if I would be to if I'm a scalper, yeah, where is it? Oh, I have the logarithmic. Okay, no, 1 second. Let me check this one. What's going on with you? Damn, Bybit. They don't have perpetual, I think. Yeah, that's the issue. Yeah, they don't have perpetual here. So what I'm looking at, it was this, yeah, this all-time high. So this all-time high on, I don't care the time frame because everything is fractal, but this is a breaker block. Yeah, once this area has been reclaimed, in the past it was resistance, you can put it approximately resistance, resistance, support. Yeah, it's easy. because that's how I play the markets too. Exactly the same stuff. Like here we have resistance or support. Yeah, what support? Support. Once we are touching underneath, it will take it as resistance. It's pretty basic stuff. You don't care about the time frame. And when I saw that, okay, on a low time frame, what we did here is exactly that power of three manipulation. We went underneath, we took it support, then back down. And when I saw this, I said, okay, this is a reclaim over the range, and I need to long this one. Yeah. So now that you know this level is pretty important one, you can see the range highs and the range lows. Pretty easy, and the middle of the range. Yeah, pretty basic stuff. And but I wanted to look at this one. Yeah. And now, okay, there you go. And now you know that you have the all-time high here. So that's how we play it. You can see it left a gap exactly there. So this range, mid-range, it will be retested. It's not the ideal scenario to form or do anything like that right now. Oh, we are going high. Yeah, I told you this is my first area of interest on Bitcoin. It can easily fail. This is a clean validation level in my opinion. It can easily fail. The structure is still bullish. You can see low time frame structure was broken, which means 3 minutes one with these lows, but 15 minutes wasn't yet broken or invalidated. Yeah. So you have to watch the market structure level by level. That's the most important thing that you can do. Okay. And if you are getting back here, hope I didn't lost you. uh, because we can't do anything right now on a low time frame. If you're playing the range game, you will see that range low, mid-range area here, and range high. And this would be the gaps that I have in my eye. I take them in consideration for a possible run because even in the bear market you have bear rallies, yeah. And if I put some trend-based fibs, the same stuff, you can see how many confluences I have in this area. So we can still do something like this. Yeah, we did this. We can still do something like this and come back here, retest this one or even lower. Yeah, and still be in a accumulation phase. Uh, when I was here in July, August, Paul told me this is a very good period to buy. Exactly here at the bottom, he told me, and I was at the beginning. I accumulated some stuff, and I did some profits on the altcoins. They made most of them. They made over 100% profits in that period, so they doubled easily. And I think we are doing the same kind of run. You can see a bigger W now. We had one here, it went up, rallied, W, some kind of imperfect retest. It retested the gap, and we went back up. So try to play level by level. Don't try to get FOMO. Uh, don't try to buy here. I would not buy here. Definitely, I would not buy here. I would just wait because we'll have retracements here. Yeah. I mean, Paul just last week he put a real nice buy when there's blood on the water, and I think not too many people. I mean, he tweeted here. I don't know how many of you have bought that area. USD JPY, you're saying, Otto? Let me check. USD JPY. One day, 1 second. I need to make my quick. What time frame you want? Uh, we are in some kind of support area. Yeah, for our we are at range high, so definitely we can get a short here. Range high tapped. You can see it's an area of clean resistance. Yeah, this one, let's see the DR, IDR levels. Was a bullish IDR. So what I would like, we can have a name here, or we even have it. But I would like something like this, because if you play the levels, you would like to see this box traded underneath, retested, and then I will take it like this. This is what I'm looking at. Because this breaker area can, what they can do, they take these equal lows, or they SFU this low, and they do a reclaim above the breaker, make a W and go higher. Because you can see these retailers kind of liquidity. 5 minutes, yeah, 3 minutes. Scalp. I would like the to go underneath this breaker. DXY is going down. So if DXY is going down, isn't JPY meant to go higher? Or am I wrong? No, sorry. Yeah, my mistake. Yeah, USD can go to this gap here. So your point, Toto, yeah, looks valid. Now I saw the correlation with the XY. It just retested the VIB now. Let's see. Because you know it can bounce from this VIB area. Market is pretty difficult right now. I'm already exposed. Yeah, exactly. We have few until the news, so mm, mhm. Yeah. I mean, yeah, market is shit, not difficult. It's very, 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 very annoying. Very annoying market. The DR, it's grabbed both ways, and it has a probability of 80%, 80 plus percent. So keep that in mind. I don't see any advantage. Oh, we tapped the first high to kick on high here. Let's see. This can turn easily into a distribution Wyckoff. You can see liquidity, grab liquidity. Now we can see we should see a rejection at some fib levels around here. So if it's a power of 3, we should see something like this. We'll see. Yeah, you see, market is really crappy. They just SFU this low. Look, SFU this low, reclaim above the breaker block. I don't know. It's ugly as hell. Bounce from the VIB. This can squeeze higher, so we can have a squeeze here. Take the stop losses, dump. Me, I don't have any advantage right now. And I would stay on the sidelines. Yeah, DR doesn't work on the news. Yeah, exactly. Just check which liquidity has been taken, and you will know where the price is going. Yeah, I'm doing the same stuff. It's very important in Forex to see where the liquidity has been taken from. I like, I mean, this is a fucker, but I like it stays above the POC. As long as it stays above the POC, because I try to along here, um, equal highs, so we can confirm a W here. But we confirmed many W's and this fucker did nothing. Equal highs. I would like to see this megaphone high broken. And what I would target is this Wyckoff Chekhov breaker. And then you can see, man, oh my god. Call these random levels, Paul. Oh my god, this is a random level. I have a scammer with my name on Discord. Let's see. Oh, nice. Wow. Hey, man. Welcome. Wow. Okay. Feels nice. uh, yeah, feels good. Uh, this is a really nice random level. Exactly at the same tab. So I do see like a squeeze of this one above, but it's annoying. This range, it's annoying and you will lose a lot of money in this range if you don't know how to wait. Best form of appreciation, exactly. Exactly. If you have no patience, you will lose a lot of money in that range. But if you just try to find a good position on the range lows here, try to find a nice long on this area if you are bullish, yeah, with the stop loss maybe below and the take profit here, yeah, I'm okay with that, or even higher, I don't know, around here. But to try to play it, no, you will lose, you will lose your money. Oh, okay. I think USD JPY is confirming bearish, Otto. Yeah. So what I will look for now, short the breaker, stop loss above this high, some equal lows. Let's search something, but it's before the news, so I will keep my powder for a better day. I don't know. I just had a reminder on my head. I just had a reminder on my head to wait for the news. Bitcoin crossing. So Bitcoin is crossing the first area. Let's see. This one can easily short squeeze. So if you don't know how to play this one, just don't play it. It can easily short squeeze above this high or above this one. Yeah, even though auto, I really don't like it. They can hit this level and bounce with this structure. Hmm. If you manage to take short around here, yeah, it's okay. But otherwise, I don't like it. Yeah, it's a good, I mean, it's a good idea in confluence with the XY dropping. Mhm. Yes, see some target levels. You can even have a target here, so if you manage to trail that one, you have equal lows here. But I don't know, that would be too, not really. Because you see on high time frame we just rejected this breaker. So this equal low can be taken out. Not bad. We have 2 more minutes. Let me check the news. I forgot when we have them because I know we will have them, but Mhm. Impact 2:30 my time, and we have CPI. Yeah, in 1 hour and a half. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see Bitcoin here. You can see it has a fair value gap, so price can go until this high, and you have then an image if price wants to respect this kind of setup and reject, go lower, or it just wants to go higher. Most of the times, if let's see, 15 minutes. On 5 minutes, I can see it bullish already with this candle body close. So this idea can be, yeah, it was invalidated. We close the candle body inside this, yeah, you see, above this range high. So there is a very high probability right now to go for the SFU level or this one, or maybe reject from the mountain man. But then we would need to see a rejection now, something like this. We'll see. Mm-hmm. Gold created a lot of equal lows, so when it does that and it wants to go higher, there is a big probability for it to continue higher. Take these equal highs, stop loss here, something like this. but too close to the news. Too close to the news, which I don't like being so close to the news. Yeah, this is the Mountain Man initial rejection. 705, the sweet spot. Exactly. Location, exactly. I need to remind myself that all the time. And Dux is trying to he's trying to break this level, but it's just keeping it keeps getting back in the range. This is this is just funny. Yeah, next target for DXY is this sell side liquidity, and then the gap, and then we can have a rejection, like continuation to the upside. So I mean we are in the almost in the near kill zone. If this continues to play around, what I'm seeing is a possible reversal and the market to go down in the New York, get in the long reload zone. They go higher, down, maybe, maybe. Not too many things to go through right now. By the way, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like the content. And I mean, if the feedback is really good, we'll do this kind of live stream more often. We'll have them more often. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. And if you want to join our Discord where we have really, really good traders and constant updates on the market, or even the VIP area where we are streaming trades and we have a lot of trading ideas like the ones that I showed on the initial part, you can join that one too. What I can see here, um, it's an ascending triangle. Dude, this one tries to break out so hard. It's a try harder. It has all the bullish patterns possible, but it's just keeping getting back in the range. It has all the bullish patterns that you want to get from a um, you see it SFU this low, so it grabbed all the liquidity created on this range. You see, really nice SFU, but it keeps consolidating. You know, the higher the consolidation period, um, the stronger the breakout. Big spike down incoming on what? What on DAX? I don't know, but I don't want to play with the news. I won't play. I'll try to close my Yeah, on tax. So he's trying to go up so much that he will just just go down. Yeah, it seems legit to me. I'll try to close all my trades until the news, and then maybe I can find something because I don't want to play with fire. I don't want to play with fire. There is a high probability auto am with the news, with everything coming. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait more. See what news will have for us. Don't try to trade today. Don't try to outsmart the markets, especially on a period when we have news. I'll try to close my trade like half an hour before the news are on, and we'll see what we will get, and maybe then trade after. So 1 hour and a half, and then trade the New York session. That sounds good for me. Not too many things to do right now. Just to wait. If you don't have anything, wait on the sidelines and protect your capital. That was it from me today. If you really like this type of content, try join on the free part of Discord or even on premium if you like. We are doing this on a daily basis, and we are trying to find the levels and trade everything level by level. We don't try to push anything. We are trying to watch the markets and see what we can get, uh, and the possibilities that we can trade from the markets. So thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, try to just subscribe and give a like. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next stream.